Hi, my name is Sophia Lillis.
Hey, I'm Hannah and you're watching LifeMinute TV.
The conscious genesis is I wanted to make a movie with Michael. I wrote the movie for him, and then Hannah Gross is also a friend of mine. I was already friends with Michael. After this other draft that I sort of discarded, I developed it further with him and then wrote a whole new draft written it specifically for the two of them. But that was the conscious thing. That was the genesis of like I want to work with Michael. But the subconscious thing and the unconscious thing that sort of developed and came up further. And it started happening in rehearsal. I started realizing how personal the movie was and how it really was about my own childhood and just the feeling of sadness of the relationship between my sister and I, just it not being possible anymore for us to access sort of the childhood world we used to have. That became the emotional core of the movie, and that's how I sort of worked through the production and the edit and everything. But in the writing, it was unconscious, like how personal the movie was. It only became personal during rehearsal.
What is wrong with you? You really not going to stay another night?
Would that make you feel better?
I play Maggie, who's the youngest sibling of three. I play the role as the younger sister, as one does. It's like a very, she's most close to her childhood and stuff like that, and she's the one kind of keeping this group together. It was good. I'm technically kind of a younger sibling. I have a twin brother, but he's older by like a minute, so technically I am the youngest sibling.
I've worked with Dustin. We've done short films together over the last 10 years. The first was in 2013. Getting to work with him on a feature was very exciting. The script, Dustin's an amazing writer, and the script contains everything. It's a really relieving way to enter a project where you know that everything's on the page, and so you can just act from there. And then, of course, Michael and Sophia, the best castmates. It was very fun and very playful, and it was the best.